Hey everyone, today I'll be showing you how you can use a Linux operating system on your system without installing it. Now to do so, what you need is a VMware workstation, which is a virtual machine creation software, and ISO of that operating system. I will show you how to use Kali Linux. So let's get started. Now what we have to do first is open the software, VMware workstation. This is the user interface. Now here click on create a new virtual machine, and the setup wizard, select the typical installation method, click on next. Here it will ask you for the disk or the ISO. If you're having a disk, click here, insert the disk in a disk driver, whereas if you're having a ISO, click here and browse your file. Now here it will show a message that could not detect which operating system is in the disk image. You need to specify which operating system will be installed. No need to worry about that. Just click on next. Here just select Linux and set the version as default it is. Now click on next. If you want to name your virtual machine, name it. I will left it as it is, and if you want to change the location, you can do that too. From C I will locate it to E drive. Click on next. Here will ask you for the disk size. Left it as it is 20 GB, or if you want to increase it, increase it. If you want to decrease it, you can decrease it. Now click here, store virtual disk as a single file. If you don't want to mess up with all those operating system files of Kali Linux, now just click next. If you want to customize the hardware, you can do that too. How much RAM you want, how many processors you want to work on, that all you can edit it here. I will left it as it is. Now just click on finish. Now we have successfully created our virtual machine, but we haven't loaded the operating system yet, and we don't have to do that too. We can use this Linux operating system without actually installing it on our drive. Yes, we can do that. For that, you just need to do this: power on the virtual machine and wait for the installation panel. Now on this setup wizard, just select the first option, live 686p. This like any other Linux distribution, Kali Linux can be booted up live, whereas this live version will work on RAM, will run on RAM, so no data file will be saved. To overcome this problem, you can configure your operating system with USB persistence. That's up to you. You can also use it without configuring it with USB persistence. It can work also without that. Now just select the first option. Now you can see it's preparing our operating system. We are not installing it, we are using it virtually, so just taking some time. Just let it be. Now you can see a Kali Linux operating system is ready. You can use anything. Let's just terminal. It's working. See, it's working. You can use the browser Firefox. It's the default browser. Actually, I have associated this operating system with 1 GB of random access memory RAM. That's why it's working slow. It will take some time, but it will work. See, it's working. You can see everything is working fine. If you want to make the operating system smooth, you can customize the hardware and assign more RAM to it. It's working fine. Now after using it, you can power off your virtual machine. Just go here and power off it. Note one thing, that all your data will get lost after doing this, so it's a drawback. And this is how you can use a Linux operating system on a virtual machine live without actually installing it. So that's all, and thanks for watching.